Are you looking for PrizeRebel payment proof before you invest any time there so you know that it actually does pay? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have been using PrizeRebel for quite a while, and I decided to record an updated video here where I show you PrizeRebel payment proof, and I will also show you how to redeem step by step so you can see exactly how it works. And I will also talk a little bit more about how much you in general can expect to earn so you can find out if this is the right option for you or not. So before I log into PrizeRebel and show you exactly how to take your earnings out, I just want to make it clear that this is not a full tutorial about how you actually earn on PrizeRebel. I have that somewhere else, and I will leave a link below here to my website where you can find a full tutorial, and there you can also find a bonus code, a special promo code only for visitors on my website and my viewers here on my YouTube channel. So if you're not yet a member, you can go there and check that out, or if you want a full tutorial. So I just want to make that clear. In this video here, I will focus on how to redeem step by step, and I will show you a PayPal payment proof, but I will also talk a little bit about the other payout options it actually offers. And just to make it clear, you can join PrizeRebel from more or less all countries. There are a few countries that it's not available in, but you can join and start earning from a lot of different countries. So let's now log in and see exactly how to take your earnings out. So I have now logged into PrizeRebel, and you can see up here my level here. This is my account level here is Diamond, and that is the highest account level because I've been using it for quite a while, and that also shows you that I've actually been paid quite a few times here. But I will also show you now exactly how I do get paid, how you do it, so you can see a live payment proof here. But up here you can also see my current number of points here. So I have 13,446 points here. And you can take your earnings out already when you've earned around $5, which is like around 500 points. So it's quite easy to reach the payout threshold. And then you would just go to rewards here and rewards, and then you come to this section where you can see the different available rewards in your country. Because I just want to also make it clear that there are reward methods that are not available in all countries. PayPal is available in more or less all countries, but especially when it comes to gift cards, there are just some countries that has a lot of available gift cards, and in other countries there's not so many available gift cards. But you can also see for some gift cards you actually only need to earn like $2, like 200 points to actually redeem, but for PayPal cards it is around $5, and that's also the case for many other gift cards. For some gift cards the threshold is a little bit higher. But anyways, in this video here I will show you how to get paid via PayPal. You just click any of these rewards here, but I'll just scroll down in the side over here and choose PayPal. They have a lot of different categories, so you can easily just filter through and find the ones that are relevant for you. But I'll choose PayPal here, and then I have these different options, and I love that they also have this custom amount, so you can just choose any amount as long as it's above $5 here. But I will here choose to take $50 out. That is 5,000 points here, so I'll just click this one here. And you can see all I then need to do here is actually to claim this item here. If it's the first time you cash out, there's an extra verification process where they might ask you some extra questions. But if you've done everything honestly, you do not have to worry. It's super easy to do. And then you can just go here and then claim the item. Now I have been paid many times by PrizeRebel, so everything is set here. You will get paid if you choose PayPal into the email address that you actually registered with. So that's just something to be aware of here. So I'll just click claim this item, and then it just asks again, are you sure you want to actually claim this price? And I just say okay. And you can see nice price, wants to show off, and then it offers that you can actually share it if you want to share it with someone. But that's how easy it is. That's how fast it is. You just click a few times and then it processes the payout. And if it's the first time you cash out, it can take a little bit longer before you actually get your earnings because they need to verify everything. But once that is done, you will usually get your earnings very quickly. In many cases, within half an hour or so. But I will also here on the screen leave a screenshot of the email I get from PayPal once I receive the payment, and there I will also write exactly how long it took me before I got the payment. In general, it pays very quickly, As mentioned, I've been paid many times by PrizeRebel, and I always get it very fast compared to many other sites. And that's one of the things I love here. The payout system is really great. The payout methods are really great, and they pay out very quickly also. But let's also talk a little bit about how long it will potentially take you to earn $50 like this, or $5 or $100, whatever that is, because I know a lot of people will ask me about that. So let's go over that next. But before going over that, also, if you could just take 1 second to like this video here, I would really appreciate it, because it can help it to be seen by more people. So how long does it then take to earn on PrizeRebel? And this is actually very difficult to give an exact answer for, because it depends on a lot of different things. First of all, it depends what country you live in. That's just how it is. It's not unfair or anything like that. It's just the case that, especially when it, for example, comes to paid surveys, in some countries, there's just more market research than in others, and that means that there will just be more surveys available, and that's just how it is. In case you live in a country where there's not a lot of surveys, then just use other earning methods instead. That's just something you have to accept. But if you live in a country where there's usually a lot of paid surveys, in the bigger English-speaking countries, in European countries, in quite a lot of Asian countries also, you can very quickly earn enough here on PrizeRebel to actually take your earnings out, because the surveys here pay quite decently. And if you decide to join PrizeRebel, the surveys is one of the best ways to actually earn here. But you should also make sure to check the paid offers, because some of them can actually pay really good money if you just choose wisely. And it also offers to, for example, pay you by watching videos, but that's not something where you will earn a lot. So that's more what I see as a little extra thing if you really like watching videos, but it's not an effective way to earn. But if you focus on the paid surveys and on the paid offers, then you can earn quite quickly here in many countries. Just be aware also, the number of paid surveys will vary from day to day and from week to week, also depending on the time of the year. And especially it offers the most paid surveys Monday to Friday. Over the weekends, there's usually not that many paid surveys, just something to consider also. But I cannot give you an exact answer to say it will take you this many hours to earn $5, or this many hours to earn $50, or this many hours to earn $100, because it really depends on the country you live in, and also your personal profile, because that will affect how many surveys you, for example, qualify for. For some people, it will be possible to earn $5 or $10 maybe even quite shortly after joining. For others, that will take several days, and I can't give you a more exact answer for that, even though I know some people will be asking that. But there are so many things it depends on, and it of course also depends how much time you put into it. But overall, it offers a low payout threshold. You can very quickly get your earnings out. It does pay. I have been using PrizeRebel for years, been paid by it many times myself, and they have fast support if you ever experience any issues. So as long as you do things honestly, it's one of the most reliable get paid to sites and paid service sites that you can actually find. And if you're not yet a member and you want to join, I will leave a link below here where you can find the full review on my website, where you can find a full tutorial, and there you can also find a joining link. And in that article also you can find a special promo code that you can use to get some free points right away, that is only for people that are actually watching my videos and visiting my website. So if you decide to join, then make sure to check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different free online earning methods.